Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Are advocates above law? Cannot advocates be arrested? This is the question we are going to answer, or a case law decided by High Court of Tripura. Of course, you all know that in section 85 of the CPC, there is a little protection to the advocates that they should not be arrested in civil cases. But nowhere they have any special facility. That's why we are thriving for the Advocates Protection Act. So, while dealing with the case of Shri Bhaskar Deb, DEB, Shri Bhaskar Dev and his wife Sujata Dev versus State of Tripura, in writ petition civil number 272 by 2021, Honorable Acting Chief Justice T. Amarnath Gaud and T. Aridham Loth on 9/3/2023 held that advocates are not above law. Please remember, advocates, they have to cooperate with the police. They have to cooperate with the investigative part of the police. Why this thing have happened? Better to know. Here, Mr. Bhaskar Dev and his wife Sujata Dev, both of them are practicing advocates. They are defending particular accused in a case of NDPS Act, Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act. The police SHO of Telia Mura PS, this is in Assam, Tripura state, I can't pronounce the name of it. He got reliable information, the SI police has got reliable information that the accused in the NDPS Act case, that is crime number 104 by 2020, maybe under section 8B, read with section 20 of the NDPS Act, were taking shelter in the house of the advocate. So, basing on the information during the early hours of 8/10/2020, that is about 5:50 am, almost 5:50 am means 6 o'clock, means early in the morning. They tapped the houses, literally they dragged the house of the advocate couple, because they are wife and husband, they are duo, working as advocates in Tripura. And immediately our people went there, and as usual, as a lawyer, he asked them whether you have got the search warrant or not. He said no, because of the urgency we came here. What is the urgency? We came to know that the accused persons are taking shelter in the house. You have harbored them. That is the level of allegation by SI. There was a heated discussion. Ultimately, the lawyer couple allowed them. They searched the premises, but nobody was found. Later, this was filed as a writ petition before the Honorable High Court. Now, the advocate on behalf of Bhaskar Dev, straight question, he asked whether the police can search the lawyer's house, that too without warrant. What to do when nobody is found? So this is the question he put before the court. Court answered, according to section 47 of the CRPC, the police can enter and search a premises where they got suspicion that an accused in a case has been absconding or has been taking shelter. 165 is there. 165 in case of emergency. Normally, according to section 100 CRPC, they have to follow the procedure. They have to obtain a warrant from the magistrate and they can conduct the search. But in emergency cases, if they are not able to find time to get a warrant from the magistrate, yes, they can search the house under section 165 CRPC. That is what they have done. They have not arrested you, they have not arrested anybody, they have not taken anybody into custody, they have not seized any documents. Why are bothered? But it is a prestige. Advocate, Suppose on mere suspicion, can you conduct an advocate's house raid? Can you raid an advocate's? Then what actually feelings it will generate in the minds of the other people? అరే లాయర్ ఇంట్లోనే రైడ్ జరిగింది, లాయర్ ఏం చేయలేకపోయాడు. Is it not? Because legal profession is a noble profession. For that, the courts answered in the negative. There is no hard and fast rule that the police cannot search a lawyer's house. You have to cooperate. So, an advocate is not above law. No doubt, the advocate has to protect his client, and the client's interest is paramount to the advocate. But you cannot forget that advocate is not above law. He is a responsible citizen. He has got responsibility to cooperate with the police. So please remember, you are all part and parcel of the justice system. So therefore, if at all you are aggrieved, if at all the police barged into the house and did some nonsense, yes, you have got a right to file a private complaint under section 200 CRPC, and the magistrate will call the police and you can tackle him to the court of law. But you can't file a writ petition. What right has been, what constitutional right has been missing? After all, they came, they told you, you're a lawyer. So ultimately, to conclude, the court said that lawyers are not above law. Please remember this. With this, I am stopping here. Thank you.